As you all can see, we are going to start with GBP USD, but only pre-market analysis during the weekend breakdown, so that we can start with the price action or the top-down analysis, so that we can see what's going to happen in next week. Remember that trading is about the probability or predicting what can happen or what might happen in the coming days. Let's start with 3 months on GBP USD and see what's await for us in the weeks to come. Okay. And so as you can see, in the 3-month time frame of GBP USD, we have the 3-month higher zone, lower zones, and then you have the midway zone. As you can see, in the 3-month time frame, the GBP USD is a little in a consolidation zone. As you can see here we have had higher low, higher high, equal low, equal high, lower low, higher low, and so we are not sure that if the market will come there to complete this higher high on this upper 3-month level. And after completing it, we can expect that the market can come back here to continue this consolidation mode. Okay, let us go in lower time frame or in monthly time frame to see if the market is doing what we expect. Okay, and this is, let's put here the monthly midway zone. Okay, as you can see, in a month time frame, we are in an uptrend. We have had this have been in a consolidation zone, break of this structure, but the buyers failed to continue upward and instead they turned the price down here to complete this like a higher low. Okay, break of structure to form this higher high, and then retest here on this support already, which became the resistance on this support, to form what we call a higher low, so that we can expect that the market will go up there to form what we call the new higher high. Okay, simply we are in an uptrend in the monthly time frame. Let's go in the weekly time frame to see what's going on. As you can see, we have been having higher high and higher lows. As you can see, we have been in a consolidation mode. Okay, but the buyers managed to break this monthly resistance to make it support, break and retest here, so that we can see the market is supposed to keep moving upward in order to retest this 3-month resistance. This is 3-month resistance. This is higher high. Let's put this new month midway zone to see. Okay, and so we are expecting that the buyers are going to break this structure above there to continue in an uptrend, or we can also expect that the sellers can be strong enough and they come back here in order to retest fully, before going like this. So let us go in the daily time frame to see what's happening. As you can see, in the daily time frame, it's like a consolidation. It's like a consolidation. You see, we have been forming a range of a consolidation, and then once the price reaches there, we can expect that the price is going to return back here before going up, because sellers are getting stronger and stronger. This is a daily midway zone. This is a daily midway zone, but this can't remove the fact that we are in a consolidation zone. Okay, You see, you have been in an uptrend, but it's a little bit reversing in order to complete that high low we have been seeing in a weekly time frame. We have been seeing this break of structure here from a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. But the buyers failed to continue upward there, so that instead of keeping moving, they broke this structure to form lower low, lower high, lower low. We are not sure if those sellers are strong enough to bring it down in the market here, or if they're like a manipulation. Let's go in a lower time frame of H4 to see what's going on. The internet is lagging. It's not my fault. The internet is lagging. It's not my fault. Okay, cool. As you can see, you see that, look, as you see, we are a little bit in a downward trend. We have been seeing this break of structure, but remember, it's like a pullback phase in a time frame, but it seems like a downward trend, but it's a pullback. This is lower low, this is lower high, this is a lower low, this is a break of structure, this is a lower high, and this is a break of structure, or like a continuation. As you can see, the buyers, the sellers, managed to break this daily support, or this day level, so that, and even test here, so that we can expect the continuation to downtrend. Two options are possible. The buyers can become stronger at this level and turn back the market there to reverse, to create this higher high, higher low, and then return in original trend of uptrend. But also, this scenario is possible. The second scenario is like this. You can see we have been in like a downtrend scenario, so that the seller can keep moving down. This is a lower low to create this higher high, this lower high, so that we can enter for selling for a downy trend. Okay, so that we can target this weekly zone. This weekly zone, we can enter here, so that we have to be patient, because swing trading is about sitting tight and waiting for the next move. We can target this 3 risk to reward election. This is the possibility. This is all about the GBP USD. And let's go to the GBP JPY. GBP JPY, where is it? Let's search it. GBP JPY, and let's see. The internet is lagging, guys. The internet is lagging. It's not my fault. Cool. Let's start with 3-month time frame to see what's happening. Okay, cool. This is 3-month midway zone. This is 3-month upper zone. This is 3-month lower zone. As you can see, we are in a very clear uptrend. As you see, we have been in a consolidation. Okay, but the buyers was strong enough to manage to break this 3-month midway zone. Okay, so let's continue in the monthly time frame to see what's happening. Cool. As you can see, we are in a very beautiful uptrend, which is very clear. Okay, This is a monthly midway zone. Monthly midway zone. This is what I was saying. I was saying that it's a very clear uptrend break of structure to form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So that you are in a continuation phase. We are not sure if the market will keep moving upwards in order to reach to the 3-month upper zones. Okay, but you have already confirmed the uptrend because you have seen the break of structure and the retest. Let's go in a weekly time frame to see what is going on. Okay, still in a weekly time frame, nothing special. We are in an uptrend still. You can see it's a very clear structure. We have been here in a little consolidation, but was a test on a monthly time frame, and they managed to break the structure and the test, and so that it's clear that we are in an uptrend. So it's very clear. Let's go in the daily time frame to see what also going on. Remember, if we are in an uptrend, we are only looking for a buy in a lower time frame. Our main target is coming to look for buying signal in a lower time frame. Okay, as you can see, we are in a beautiful uptrend. As you can see, the buyers managed to break the weekly zone, okay, break of structure, and then retest, and we can expect that the market can keep going in an upward, so that we can look for buying. Already the retest have been completed on a daily structure. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame to see what's going on. Here we are in a trading shadows. As you can see, we have been okay, cool. We are still in an uptrend. As you can see, the market came down here on this daily structure, or on the daily support, some little consolidation, but the buyers stepped in, broken this level to create a higher high, and retraced back to, in a pullback in order to retest on this consolidation zone, in order to go up back again. So that you can expect that because you are on Saturday, we can expect that next week or on Monday, if the market opens in a bullish structure, we can step in to enter for buy. Look, we can enter for buy here, target risk reward of 2.5, or we can even make a stop loss smaller like this, and so that we can target the risk to reward ratio of 3. Okay, this is a very clear signal of buying in GBP JPY. The next pair is USD card, but before stepping to USD card, let's step on XAUSD or gold. Let's start with the gold. XAUUSD or gold. Cool. Let me show you what I was meaning to say about the gold. The gold in 3-month time frame is in spike. We cannot identify the higher high, higher low, or lower low, or lower high. But clearly, we are seeing the bullish momentum, which indicates that we are in an uptrend. Let's go in a monthly time frame to see what's going on. Still the same scenario. We are still seeing bullish momentum, but no clear higher high or higher low. Let's go in a weekly time frame to see if, okay, let's try to put our levels here, but as it seems it's uptrend because we are seeing the bullish momentum. We are seeing the bullish momentum. As you are seeing, we are seeing the uptrend by forming higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher lows. And let's go in daily time frame to see what's really going on. Cool. Clearly, we are in a very beautiful uptrend, which is very, very clear. Here I have been seeing higher high, higher low, break of structure to form higher high, higher low, break of structure to form higher high, higher low, break or retest, so that expect the market to keep going in an upwards. But on this continuation phase, we are seeing unusual behavior, which can help us to see, look, okay, cool. On this continuation after this pullback, or after this retest, you have been seeing some little consolidation, but you see that here is break of structure, retest, and we expect that market is going to continue upward in this manner. Okay, very, very beautiful structure. Okay, very, very beautiful structure. Let's go in a 4-hour time frame to see if we can get some kind of entry. Okay, cool. I was not present on a Friday, but if you can see, this structure is in a very, very clear uptrend. A very, very clear uptrend. We have been in a consolidation zone. Consolidation zone, break of structure or break of range, break of consolidation zone, retest here, and then we see that the buyers have stepped in and in a very strong manner so that they can lift the market in an upward structure, so that it's a very clear uptrend. But if you see clearly, this is the market can break this structure, can be like this, and then it come back here or pull back here to the test, so that you can step in, enter here for buying. Let's go in a lower time frame. Even though I don't like 1 hour, but for gold I can try to go in a 1 hour, but let's try for 2-hour time frame to see clear what's going on. Cool. This is what I was saying. I was saying that we are in an uptrend. This is a break of this consolidation range, retest, and then break of structure. Okay, cool. And then we are in a consolidation mode. So if someone have been present in this trade, have been entered here, stop loss put below this swing low, and then entered and target risk to reward of 2, or risk to reward of 2 already is hit, but for me I don't like risk to reward of 2. I target swing high or swing low. Okay, this is the risk to reward of what? Risk to reward of 6 to the traders who are in, but you have to be patient for stepping in if the price turns back here to retest here, so that we will enter targeting this zone. Okay, cool. Let's go to the next pair of US oil. I think on Friday 6 a.m. we tried to enter in US oil. US oil. Cool. US oil. This is BTC/USD. Let's see this US oil. Okay. Let's go in 3-month time frame to see what's going on. As you can see, US oil is not clear. It's not clear in an uptrend of 3 months. Okay, this is 3-month upper zone. This is 3-month lower zone. But let's put the midway zone here, but it's not clear. Okay, let's see if you can see the clarity in the monthly time frame. Cool. As you can see in a monthly time frame, the market have been in downward trend, lack of structure, and then expect that the market is coming to return back here in order to retest before returning back here to the downwards. Okay, this is monthly midway zone. This is monthly midway zone. This is midway zone. As you can see, another fact which we can rely on, it's like a double top. This is like equal lows, forming equal lows, and you can expect the market to return back there. It's like a double bottom or low, equal lows, something like. Let's go in the monthly time frame to see if we can capitalize on this uptrend move of going there to the test. Okay, this is a weekly midway zone. As you can see, the market managed to break this weekly midway zone, break and retest, so that you can expect market to return back there in order to retest the monthly midway zone or monthly zones. Let's go in the daily time frame to see. As you can see, still we are in an uptrend. Look, as I was saying, the buyers stepped in, break of structure, retest to form a higher low here, so that expect for continuation there. Let's go in the 4H to see if we can get an entry, sniper entry. Okay. To the traders who have been active during this week, you see the signal which I have been talking about to be very visible. You see? Okay. Here we have been in a consolidation or a zone on the daily zone, but the buyers managed to break the structure to form a higher high and retested this zone to form a higher low, so that we expect the market to go up in a continuation manner. So that we have managed to enter this trade, okay, like this. As you know that I always target risk to reward ratio of 3. Okay, let's go in a daily time frame to see it clearly. As you can see, I have managed to target around here, if I remember, but I will keep managing this trade as it moves. But normally I have even moved my stop loss to break even if the market can reach here, because we are entering in a new month on Monday. Even if it can reverse back, I will not lose anything. Okay, so that we can expect the buyers to keep moving the market upwards to break this structure, and once it gets retested, we can still enter for buy. This is US oil, and the last but not least, pair to trade on is USD card. Let's try USD card. USD card. As you can see, let's start with 3-month time frame to see what's going on with the USD card. USD card in 3-month time frame is in a range or consolidation manner. This is 3-month upper zone, midway zone. This is midway zone. This is midway zone. Okay, cool. As you can see, this is monthly midway zone. As you can see, we are seeing sellers stepping in to create break of structure to form a higher high, a lower low, lower high, so that we can expect market to return back here in order to complete another lower low, so that can even test these fair value gap zones. This is a liquidity zone. I'm talking about this zone here. This is zone. This is zone. Okay, cool. Let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's going on. As you can see here, we have break of structure, but the buyers managed to break upward, but didn't continue in an upward, but rather broken back in a downward trend, break of structure. It tested here, and so that can anticipate that the sellers are going to bring down the market here, not to complete this lower low, lower high, and then you keep moving downwards. Okay, as you have seen in higher time frame that the market is in a consolidation or in a range. Okay, as you can see, the market have been in a downward trend by forming lower low, lower high, break of structure, and it tested to create lower high, but here is bias, and even if you are seeing the sellers have managed to step back in, so that we don't know if they are going to bring back the market in a downward trend. But if you see, we are in a little consolidation, which is giving but which is very promising that the market is going to return back here in the down trend still, because we have seen a range or a consolidation. Okay, have seen a range or a consolidation. It's concerned. That's what I was saying. This is a range. As you can see, we have been in a range or consolidation with no clear direction, but sellers have stepped in to break up this structure. We can wait for retest before entering for sale. Okay, and once this zone is retested, and if we want to take a bigger risk to reward, we can enter like this and target this position by risking 50 pips. We can targeting 3 risk to reward ratio like this. This is possible, but also if you want to use a bigger risk to reward ratio of 2, okay, can also do it. Depends on your own. I think this is enough. This is the weekly breakdown. We are waiting for USD card. Okay, after waiting for USD card, we have a clear signal of GBP which we are waiting for, and GBP USD. And already US oil have left us, already has gone, has spiked, and the gold is still waited in the weeks to come. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and welcome to my free Telegram channel. Thank you very much, guys. Stay classy, stay trading in shadow, don't flex too much.